The first step in our simulation journey is to create a project. And within the project, we can have numerous studies. The project is basically the directory, and you can have as many studies as you would like within that directory. So without further ado, let's go ahead and create a project or a directory. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll notice an icon that says New Project. We're going to click on this. We're prompted for a project name. Give it a name. In this case, we'll just call it Test. And please note the directory in which this project is stored. This is where your result files will also be stored. So I'm going to keep the default directory and say OK. Okay, I got my project created, but it's still an empty screen. So now we have to import either CAD geometry, or we can import an existing Moldflow study file, or we can import results. In this case, we're going to import an existing Moldflow study file. Up in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see an import button. Go ahead and click on that. And I have some test parts here. They all have the .sty file extension. So go to the first one, cover, we'll open that. Okay, so we have an existing Moldflow study file. Now you'll notice it's just a part. Fortunately, it is meshed, so a number of steps have already been done, meaning that we've already meshed the part, and the geometry looks pretty good, so it looks like it's been cleaned up. However, we still need to do a few things. We need to specify an injection location. We need to specify the specific material that's used, and we're also going to need to specify the type of analysis that's going to be conducted. But for this short tutorial, we're going to stop here. Basically, we can import another, if we need to, we can import another study within this project. So we can have the cover, and we can also have the door panel. You'll notice that the door panel is also within this directory structure. So you can have a number of different Moldflow studies within your directory, and this is really great. For example, you might be working on a specific program that consists of several different components. So within your project directory structure, you can have the several components and their results, and it's very convenient in that you don't have to look for results elsewhere. So that is how we create a project directory and import data into that project directory. We can organize it within this directory structure here however we like. We can rename this if we like. We can create subfolders. We can add notes. There's many things that we can do in order to keep our studies organized so we can reference them quickly. Okay, thank you very much.